contemplating whether or not I want to actually do this video or play with Spotify and watch BTS videos. It's my party and I'll do whatever the hell I want to. What's up, rockers and rebels? It's Ruby, and this is not a makeup tutorial. The show where we take other people's work and pass it off as our own because, let's face it, there are no original thoughts. My face is so much more red than my neck. Might also be because I actually got sunlight this morning, so that's a good thing. Today is March 25th. It is the first day of my unemployment. I have officially been furloughed as of yesterday, and I've never in my life not had a job, and I don't know how to take this, so I'm trying to remain extremely positive, and I'm proud of myself for that. And it's also my birthday. This is the first birthday I've ever had where I'm like milking it. I'm like, I want to do this. It's my birthday. Will you do this for me? It's my birthday. I don't want to do that. It's my birthday. I am milking it and I don't care. I'm like spazzy and I honestly don't know why. Gotta stay hydrated. So the next video in our playlist is Rainbow Eye Makeup Tutorial. So ready for summer. Interesting. I don't know. It's weird. Anyhow, it's a rainbow eye. There's 5 million of them, but this is the first one that I ever saw where I was like, oh, that's so pretty. And since then I've seen like 20 of them, but we're just gonna go with this one. It is by Siobhan Makeup Biz. Siobhan. I've never seen Siobhan spelled that way. I've only ever seen like the Celtic spelling, but prime those eyes. Love her accent. I feel like it just melts into your skin better when you use your finger instead of a...
So once applying that primer, you want to melt it into the skin using the warmth of your fingertips.
What did I just say? What did I just say?
Set that in.
The only neutral palette I have is the Baby Naked palette. I don't get how people can like film these videos and just close up on their eyes like they are not moving at all. When they apply, they're moving this and then just going back to the same position. I'm like shifting all over the place. I can't sit still. Eat the work. Eat the work.
You want to apply a piece of tape to the outer corner of your eye. This is really going to help to ensure we get a nice crisp edge on the outer edge, nice and easily.
I gotta tape my eyelid. This can't be... Ah! Oh, I did it too close to the eye. Too close to the eye. Too close to the eye. Ouch! Okay, slightly, but okay, looking down hurts. You know what? Let's do one eye with tape and one eye without just to see what happens, because this is, I don't like this.
Peach Smoothie, Cupcake, and Cocoa Bear, all from Makeup Geek, into the crease of the eye, just to act as the first transition shade.
They're all just like neutral colors. I'm guessing I'm just gonna take like these three and we'll just see what happens. I have regrets. Okay, so maybe not put faint in there, not the brown. Do I have a peach color? This was like a thing I got like as a gift, like, you know, for like those gifts that you get from your relatives that like don't actually try. It's one of those. We're gonna go with that.
I'm going in with a hot pink shadow to the crease of my eye.
I have this. I mean, that's pretty hot pink, so. In the crease it goes.
You want to clean a brush after every single time you use it.
Nope.
So what we do, you want to take a really vibrant purple shade and apply this into the outer V section of your eye.
This is like a Maybelline, that thing. We'll go, why not, it'll work. Excuse you, cat, I swear you knocked something over. It's not really going so much as a V as it is like just a triangle. What do we think so far? I think it looks like crap. Why is this... Okay. Why is this side not cooperating with me? Moving on. Moving on.
These kinds of looks, you just want to keep applying and blending till you're really happy with the results.
I'm not.
I promise you. Then I applied a red eyeshadow in between the purple and the pink, going toward the inner corner, just building up the colours as I go along.
Oh my god. Oh wait, I have this. The like super racially insensitive palette. But it's got a good red, so we're just gonna use it. Again. Right there. Okay, how are you?
This look I did completely wing it.
Completely wing it, yeah, that's you were all in the same boat, sister. Sure, why not? Okay, again, why is this eye not taking color like the other one? I don't know. We're moving on.
Then applied the bright orange eyeshadow into the center.
Man, she's using every color of the rainbow. Like, she says rainbow, she means rainbow. Well, there's Cheeto dust. But no, I want to use the small palettes. Urgh! Fine, I'll go get Cheeto dust. Okay. Cheese dust, not Cheeto dust, cheese dust. Cheese dust with all the fallout. Here we go. Oh my god, this orange is like neon on camera. A little more red to blend in. This just looks like stripes on my eye. It's not like, I'm not happy with how all this is blending at all. We're moving on.
Applied a white cream colour base into the inner parts of my lid just to really help that pigment shine through where it doesn't without the primer.
Girl, you just completely covered that orange with the yellow. Whatever. Again, in China Doll. On the inner corner. Yeah, that's pretty vibrant. My right eye is taking the color completely different from my left. What do we think? It's actually kind of pretty on camera. Not mad at it.
Then, once you're happy with all the blending and how everything looks, you want to peel off that tape to reveal a nice crisp edge.
Ow!
Then I'm going in with a white cream colour.
Okay, I will never, ever, 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 ever be doing that again. Okay, I can get the same effect with a Q-tip. I just... Not happy at all. I want more purple! More purple! Oh no, you done screwed up, AA Ron. Oh, AA Ron. I'm not big on the super sharp line, I don't think. This works fine for me.
I'm going in with a white cream colour base, the same from earlier, and applying this all under my lower lashes.
Ba-bam! And that's exactly what she's using too. Getting all up on your lashes too. So now what?
Melting it into the skin with my finger. Then I'm just going to apply that yellow on the inner rim of the inner corner of the eye.
I mean, I kind of already did that without you even telling me to, but... And then she's taking a green. Oh, I have the greens, honey. You know what? Let's go really old here. Let's go with this. You remember this? Max Factor. Wow, even with a white base, this thing sucks. Here we go. This'll work. Coastal Scents. Go Palette Sydney. There we go. That's more like it. My under eye's getting irritated. I can feel it.
Going into a turquoise colour and then into a vivid electric blue shade and then blending it into that purple.
Electric blue. Go to the Electrics palette. Yas! Gonzo. Come here, baby. You know what? I just realized I'm laying this on way too thick. Oh my god. Here we go. We'll just go with this. I think this is another hit. Yeah, Hip. Duo, the blue. I remember we used this when I was in color guard in marching band. Everyone wanted to use this, and like we all shared the makeup. It was fine, but everyone was like, because that light blue is so noticeable from far away. So, because like our theme was like tribe. So we were like doing weird tribal designs with that electric blue, and it was crazy. Ooh, you know what I should do? I'm gonna take the purple and like blend that. Yeah. Oh, yes, there we go. And you know what? I'm getting rid of this like harsh line because I've realized I don't like that. Big Blend, where are you? I feel like I did this way too thick. But you know what? For like pride, this would be great. Moving on, next. But you know what we are gonna try? We're gonna try just like going in instead of like pulling down. Can I do it? Oh my god. Ah! This is scary. Okay. Oh my god, this is terrifying. Maybe I should sharpen the pencil. Maybe that'll help. Yes, put a sharper object close to your eyeball. That makes perfect sense. Okay, we did it. We survived. Yay. We did it. High five. Mascara. I love this mascara. Maybelline Mega Plush. Volume Express. Like, look. It's so fun. I love it. I don't know if she's putting on lower, but I always put on lower. I've never been one for like mixing mascaras. At that point, you're just putting product on product on product on product, and it's not doing jack. You just look like a spider. And we do not want spiders on our face. We want spiders in hell where they belong. Watch when I die and go to hell. I'm just gonna be covered with spiders for all of eternity. That will be my hell. I am so scared to die right now. Oh my god. Yes. We are feeling ourselves right now. Yes. Okay, ow, ow, leg cramp. Ow, 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 ah. Hide my giant
that is
forehead.
the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next video.
That's it. You're not gonna do the full face? I wanted to do a full... Okay, no, you highlighted your brow bone. Don't... We're taking the big fluffy. We're putting more on. More on. Yes! More! Give me more! There we go. Now we're cooking with fire. We can live with that. Yes! Yes! If anyone is listening to me out of context right now, I am insane. Okay, we're gonna continue. The video is done. Like, that's all. She just does the eyes, and ooh, you look good. The top still just looks okay. This blended so much better than that. Why does this look like stripes on my eye, and this actually looks like a nice blurry sunset? Why? I am so proud of this. This is delicious. And it's not even my color anymore. It was when I was a redhead. It looked great when I was a redhead, actually. I miss my red hair now. Let's do this. I actually really like this. My brow game will never be on point. I have like accepted this. It's just how it is. There we go. That's slightly better. Did I say slightly better? I meant looks. It does nothing. I meant nothing. It does nothing. Doomed forever to have... Okay. This one also arches more than this one, and it bothers me. Like, there. Now they're slightly even. Yes! This matches our pale neck pretty nicely. And now we're just gonna, like, punch ourselves in the face 5 million times. Go ahead and copyright strike me. I can't get monetized anyways because no one cares. Ha! not gonna bother contouring because we got enough going on. But I will do what Wayne Goss taught us, which is do the like blot and press. So BRB. Oh no, she's using toilet paper on her face. Is she crazy? She's gonna run out of toilet paper. No, I'm not. Because you know why the stores are full. Okay? Because so everyone who hoarded toilet paper is an idiot and should not be allowed to reproduce. Okay. Let's put a little bit of blush on because we are looking very pale and lifeless. Just enough to prove that we have life. I look like a doll. You know what? Let's bronze a little bit. Screw it, we're going in. Not terrible, not gonna lie. I ain't mad at it. I is proud. There's still some discorrelation here. We can't let them know that we are pale like a ghost. We mustn't scare the children with our whiteness. We mustn't scare ourselves with our whiteness. Just hide everything. Everything is an illusion. Reality is not real. The cake is a lie. For the lips, what should we do? How about just a gloss? Just a normal rosy gloss. Yes! We love. Oh my god, I'm feeling so good about myself right now. And I can't go out and share it with the world. You know what? I probably actually will. I'll just like put some headphones in and go for a walk. Yes, check it out, guys. It's beautiful. We ain't mad at it. What do you think, kitty? 0 fracks given. Alright guys, that is it for today's non-makeup tutorial. What did we learn today? What did we learn today? This one was just for fun today. This is my birthday look. This is what I'm going with. And I'm gonna take all the pictures and post them to the socials and say, send me pity and possibly cake because I'm sad and unemployed and getting old. Thank you for watching and toodles!